In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter sign-up form using Wix. This process will help you gather email addresses and keep your audience updated with your latest content and offers. So let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, make sure you're using either the Wix editor or Wix Studio, and I recommend doing this in the Chrome browser for the best experience. Once you've logged in and opened your Wix site in the editor, you're ready to get started with adding a newsletter sign-up form. In Wix, you have two great resources for forms, Wix Forms and Wix Ascend. Both offer easy-to-use options for capturing your visitors' information. Choose whichever suits your needs and preferences best. Navigate to the appropriate section in your editor, then drag and drop the sign-up form into your site's layout. Now, with your form in place, it's time to make it your own. Customization is key here. Click on the form to start editing. Wix provides several fields, so you should tailor these to gather exactly the information you need from your visitors. You might want to add fields like name and email address. But remember, less is often more, so try to keep your forms concise to encourage more signups. Next, explore the design options. Engage visitors by aligning the form style with your brand. Choose colors, fonts, and borders that reflect the overall aesthetic of your site. Don't forget to customize the success message as well. Something warm and welcoming to assure your new signups they're all set. With your form looking just perfect, it's time to connect it to your email marketing tool. Within the editor, click on Form Settings and navigate to the Integration section. Here you can link your form to your preferred email marketing service. Doing so ensures that all the information captured is directed to your marketing tool, ready for future campaigns. Speaking of campaigns, now that your form is set up and connected, you can think about creating and sending newsletters. Wix offers its own email marketing solution, which makes this seamless. Head over to Wix Email Marketing and design your newsletters using their templates. Personalize these with your brand's voice and visuals. Once your design is ready and engaging, hit send to start building a connection between you and your subscribers. Finally, after all this hard work, don't forget to save and publish your site. This last step ensures that all your changes go live and your newsletter sign-up form starts working immediately, capturing new leads for your campaigns. Double-check everything looks great on your live site. And that's it! You've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your Wix site. Keep it updated and watch how your emails help nurture and grow your audience. Thanks for following along and happy emailing!